Hello guys, today we'll be learning how to make a dance party. So I'll show you a demonstration about how to make this dance party. So we go to this. So this is my previous dance party. It works like this. So when I click run, song plays. I think you can't hear a song, but it's playing. And now when you click the space, it changes background and it makes a new move if you see. So we'll start with this code. It's gonna be like, so first we need a setup. We need to make cats. I'm gonna make 6, not 6 actually. I'm gonna make 3 new cats in bottom row maybe. Let's see where it appears. Yeah, so that's good. But now we need a bigger size. So we'll put the properties, change all size by maybe 50 should be good. Let's check. Yeah, so 50 is good. Now we want a song. So we'll just put this, and I'll put cool. I want to put random. So it's random background again. So you see it's a random background. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make an event. So I forgot something. So we want to set their dance positioning to a normal speed because we do not want it to be faster or slower. What we're going to do is we're going to set all dance speed to not fast. We want it to be normal. And now we're gonna start with a random move. So we do random. We'll do it this side for now. Now we want to make an event. So when space pressed, then we want a background effect, the same thing, just cool and random again. We want to keep changing it, and then we want them to do dance. So we go to here, and then we do random. But this already starts here, so I think I'll do this side start. Now if you see, I'll press space and it keeps changing. But you see, it's going a bit fast. So I prefer setting this to cat so it's more specific. And we'll need this same code over here so that the cats will be at the normal speed. So now I've done. For the final thing, you can choose what song you want. There are a lot of songs. I like Thunder with this, so I'll choose Thunder by Imagine Dragons, or even the I position. Imagine Dragons Thunder. Okay, so my game is working. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.